Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Now we are going to learn colors name. Brown color, red color, orange color, violet color, light pink color, dark pink color, black color, dark pink color, dark blue color, green color, blue color, sky blue color. Now we are going to learn alphabets, capital letter. Alphabet A, capital, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Now we are going to learn small letters. Small letter A. Small letter A. B. Small letter B. Small letter C. Small letter C. Small letter D. Small letter D. E. Small letter E. Small letter F. G. Small letter G. Small letter G. H. Small letter H. Small letter I. Small letter I. Let's revise again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.